This is a quick overview of the 600 DVR. What you get in the box has been laid out on this table. You've got the recorder, button camera with optional buttons, earphones, charger. It's a USB style cable that terminates into a connector that fits into that. A breakout cable that you can use for both analog input and output. So you can only use it either or. This won't do simultaneously, so you can plug it into the AV in or the AV out. And then this is a remote control that comes with it in order to control the device if you like to be able to wirelessly toggle it to record or stop recording. So this is what it looks like. I've already charged it. The battery's in the rear compartment. You basically put your thumbs here, snap it out, battery goes in here, and then this is the correct way to put the cover back on. These two slide into here, and then you press on the left to lock it. On the top, you've got a micro SD slot. Supports up to 32 gigs only. Here is a power button, record button, rewind, forward, escape, OK. This is where you can either connect the camera on the AV in, or if you're trying to record an external source of analog video input, you can use this cable. That little connection goes right into there. If let's say you want to display this onto a TV that has analog output, then you can click it here and then break it out into your video source with your TV or something. This is where the charger goes. Note that there's a little bit of a round edge on one side and one side has a flat edge. You got to make sure you're connecting it correctly. This locks it. This allows you to keep on recording. So just in case it's in your pocket, you don't want any buttons to be pressed, you would put this to the top to lock it. There's also a paper manual that comes in the box, which is here. Turn it on, you press and hold it. First thing I'm going to show you is how to correctly insert the micro SD card. Once you hold it for a few seconds, the blue light will come on, battery indicator, and this little green thing is actually on the plastic itself. There's a little adhesive strip on top to protect the LCD. You can just take it off when you're ready. So the first thing first, how to properly put in a micro SD. Unfortunately for this demonstration, I don't have a 32 gig or smaller micro SD. I have 128. This cannot accept that. It can't write to it, but the size is the same. This is what a micro SD looks like. It's a small SD card. When you're putting it in, make sure the printed edge of your printed side of your micro SD is facing away from the LCD. So this is what it should look like. When you put it in, you shouldn't have a lot of resistance. All you do is just press it, put a little bit of your nail into it, and you're going to hear it click. So I'm going to show you. I'm not sure if you heard that or not, but that clicks in. And you want to take it out, click it again, and it comes out. We don't recommend you inserting and removing micro SDs a whole lot. Over time, that mechanism may break. I've seen them break. It doesn't happen too often, but once in a while we'll get someone who's really in a hurry and presses too hardly on that. And you press hard on that, eventually you're going to break that mechanism because it's a spring-loaded mechanism. So I'm going to show you how to attach the little mini camera. You take this earphone type plug and put it into the AV input. Here you go. Let me see. Right there. So this does not have a microphone on it. It's only for video. You could use this for your own personal investigation if you're looking to do that. So if you want to connect your own analog input, you take this cable, connect it into AVN. If you have a BNC camera, you put a BNC to RCA. That doesn't come with this package. Make sure you get it if you have a BNC camera and connect to this. This is good for RCA inputs. And then you can basically watch it the same way I just showed you the other camera. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you understand what this product's all about.